Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we are going to discuss about public cloud design problem statement and their related solution. We will also talk about the fundamental services which are used for that solutions. We will cover Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure as a public cloud vendor in this channel. So today's problem statement, how to create and maintain sensitive data in cloud for an enterprise. So when we are talking about sensitive data, that means it can be secrets. And when it is secrets, that can be API keys, password, certificates and cryptographic keys. In our last video, we have covered how Azure has solved this problem with Azure Key Vault and Azure Dedicated HSM. Today, we are going to discuss about how AWS has solved this with Secret Manager, KMS and Cloud HSM. So let's start with AWS Cloud HSM. AWS Cloud HSM is a cloud-based hardware security module that enables you to easily generate and use your own encryption keys on the AWS cloud. So with AWS Cloud HSM, as you can see in this diagram, it sits inside your VPC. In the first A connectivity, as you can see, Amazon manages your AWS Cloud HSM, but they do not have access to it. Whereas in your connection B, the user, the system who has configured this Cloud HSM inside the VPC, they have full access to the Cloud HSM. In C, as the application and Cloud HSM are inside your VPC, so your connectivity will be much more faster. In D, it's a tamper resistance hardware, and in E, it is inside your VPC. That means your network as well as hardware, everything will be in your control. That is the power of Cloud HSM. Now let's try to understand what is AWS KMS. So KMS is one of the service which has been provided by AWS. So AWS KMS makes it easy for you to create and manage cryptographic keys and control their use across the wide range of AWS services and in your applications as well. So with KMS keys, you can encrypt your data, both your application as well as public cloud services. It also supports HSM. Along with this, KMS has also been integrated with multiple PaaS services like Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3, Amazon EBS and many more. It also integrated with Amazon CloudTrail, with which your logging will be much more simpler. So let's try to understand what is the difference between AWS Cloud HSM and AWS KMS. AWS Cloud HSM is a single tenant key storage. When we say single tenant, that means the behind hardware will be shared by only one tenant. If you are a private organization, then Cloud HSM is much more secure. It also supports FIPS 142 level 3 compliance, whereas AWS KMS is a multi-tenant key storage and it only supports FIPS 142. Cloud HSM supports both symmetric and asymmetric keys. That means if you are encrypting your keys, your data, then with the same keys you can decrypt it. Whereas asymmetric means if you are encrypting with one key, then with another key you can decrypt it. Now in Cloud HSM, it is only symmetric keys. AWS Cloud HSM is integrated with VPC. That means network is in your control. Whereas KMS, it has not been integrated with VPC. That means Amazon is managing it. Now let's understand what is Secret Manager. AWS Secret Manager is one of the services that helps you to protect your secrets needed to access your application, services and its resources. The service enables you to easily rotate, manage and retrieve database credentials, API keys and other secrets throughout their lifecycle. So rotate activities of the secrets can be integrated with Secret Manager. Second, the fine-grained across access control. That means if you have a AWS Secret Manager and you want to access your secrets by a developer group only in development environment, that type of access control can be organized with AWS Secret Manager. Then the next part, secure audit and monitor. So with secure audit and monitor, that means you can audit AWS CloudTrail logs to see when the Secret Manager rotates a secrets or configure AWS CloudWatch event to notify you when an administrator deletes a secret. This type of integration has been also integrated with AWS Secret Manager. And the most powerful part, pay as you go. So the more you pay, the more you use, the more you pay. The less you use, the less you pay. Now let's try to understand the difference between secret manager and parameter store. The secret manager is pay as you go functionalities, whereas parameter store you do not have to pay anything. It also auto rotates with keys with RDS. It has already been integrated with RDS, so it also has been integrated with RDS to rotate your keys. And with Lambda service, you can integrate with other PaaS services to rotate your keys. Whereas with parameter store, no key rotation allowed. It also, in secret manager, it also allows you to generate your random secrets. Whereas with parameter store, you cannot auto generate your secrets. That is the base difference between secret manager and parameter store. I have collected all this information by following this URL. If you want to get more details about these services, please follow this URL. I have depicted all this URL in the video description. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video and share your comments so that we can provide you more update about it. Thanks a lot for watching it.